Easy chicken, broccoli, and rice casserole. Now this recipe is one of them ones you want to keep in your back pocket because it can be a quick and easy dinner or something you could take to the cookout to get a few cool points. Let's ride. Now we're going to start off with some chicken thighs, season those up with some of my garlic pepper seasoning, onion powder, paprika, a little bit of cayenne, and some salt. Drizzle with some olive oil and make sure everything is evenly coated. Now in a pan we're going to add in some butter and then we're going to cook the chicken thighs on each side for about 5 to 7 minutes. When they start to look a little bit like this, that means they're good to go. You want to be able to see the flavor. Now we're going to take these off the heat and we're going to set them aside while we work on our sauce. Add in some garlic to the same pan and deglaze with some chicken broth. Add in some cream of chicken with herb and to the same can add some heavy cream and then pour that in. Then we're going to add in some freshly grated cheddar cheese and some Boursin cheese, major key. Lastly, top it off with some sour cream and add some seasoning. Now we're going to give it a good mix until it has a nice thick consistency like this. And always taste along the way to make sure it's right. Now in a bowl we're going to add in some cooked rice with the broccoli pieces and the chicken. Cover it with the cheese sauce and you want to mix it up until it's all evenly incorporated. Add some of the broccoli rice to a baking dish, top it with some cheese, and then we're going to add another layer of the broccoli rice. Smooth it out and top it with some more cheddar cheese. Now you're going to bake this in the oven at 375 for about 25 minutes. If you want the full recipe, check out my website. I'm out.